Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are in good condition. It is a pleasure to welcome you in my video. In this video, I plan to say a few things about residual garbage solution, plastic bag or paper bag. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Iwayan Gepa Masutama from class 2G. And why I choose this topic? Because in recent years, I have seen a lot of campaigns against the use of plastic garbage in our country. There are various forms ranging from the implementation of bad plastic bag policy to a ban of the use of single plastic bag and plastic equipment in a number of shopping center, shop or office. The goal is to be more environmentally friendly and reduce the use of plastic garbage significantly, because from year to year plastic garbage is always a problem that never goes away. As a result, the use of single-use plastic bag is slowly being replaced by non-plastic bag, especially those made from paper bag. But in the other side, the existence of this paper bag is still being criticized because it is claimed to be more dangerous than plastic. This is because paper bags are made from tree trunks, so that will make aggravating the destruction of the forest around the world. Even though they are made of wood, paper bags also take time to decompose, so that both plastic bag or paper bag still cause problem for the environment if we not treated properly. Let's move to the first part of my talk. Why is garbage, especially plastic garbage, is dangerous? Plastic will only decompose in the soil after 200, 400 or even 1000 years. The length of time for plastic to decompose can pose a risk to the soil. This fact is more than enough for us to use plastic as wisely as possible and avoid littering plastic garbage carelessly. And in the other side, unmanaged organic garbage, apart from causing unpleasant odors and disturbing aesthetic, is also a breeding ground for vector and rodents. The direct impact can reduce the quality of the environment. This can have an effect on biota and human health. Indirect effect of organic garbage resulting in increased diseases carried by mosquitoes or rats. Let's move to the next part. What is the solution? Now, there is a movement overcome with this problem. Various solutions are provided to reduce the garbage problem. One solution to dealing with this problem is to increase the activity of managing residual garbage, both organic and non-organic, such as sorting household garbage residue. And why do we have to sort garbage? Because by sorting garbage can be managed properly. Recycled garbage can be sold to the waste bank, and organic garbage can be used as compost for garden fertilizer. And we only dispose of residual garbage that cannot be processed back to the landfill. And the other solution is waste bank. Waste bank is an empowerment initiation program on garbage management that has educational principle, social and profit, so that a waste bank can be said to be a garbage management activity from sources with 3R pattern, namely reduce, reuse and recycle, without having to think about investment and at the beginning, but the implementation of the waste bank shall be carried out in the cooperative manner independently, which is based on a commitment to saving the environment. It's not only material garbage is carried out with an orientation to save the environment, and instead of pursuing material, we are sure that the waste bank in question can be sustainable. So that is why it's called a waste bank, because there is a circular economy in its activity, but prioritize saving the environment through empowerment patterns. And the waste bank also conduct transaction in my village on the 21st for each month. For all people who have collect recycled garbage, they can bring it to the Tembuku field, and the officer will save your garbage at the Daiwak Bangli main waste bank. Okay guys, that's all I want to say for now on this video. To conclude it is very fortunate that we are born as an intelligent human, because with intelligence we can manage the garbage that we produce. We are fortunate to be born as human, because we can correct our past bad karma, especially the bad karma from wrong garbage management. Let's start now to manage our garbage properly for the good of us today, and create good karma for ourselves, our family, future generation, the environment and the other living things by managing garbage wisely. So now I'd be very interested to hear your comments. Let's comment below. And for the last, thank you for your attention to watching my video. I hope it is useful for you and for the other, and see you.